Well, if you are looking for anything inside and outside of your home, furnishing a bedroom, your entire house, redoing that kitchen you've always wanted to, or get that hot tub in the backyard during these beautiful Northeast Ohio winters, well, you're going to save a lot of money as long as you come to Northeast Factory Direct, and their owner, Alex Nemeth, is joining us. Alex, thank you so much. You started this business 15 years ago in a garage with one dining set. Now it's become something so much bigger, but you're saving thousands and thousands for everyone that come here. How do you do it?
You know, it's pretty simple. We buy everything by the truckload. We don't have a fancy place. Essentially, we just have a bigger garage. Our rent here is a tenth of what it would cost in a high rent retail area. We've taken out all the fluff and layers of expense that most retailers have.
So overhead low, quality high. All right, so give us an example of, well, I almost want to ask you, what don't you have, but what do you have here?
You know, we've got bedroom sets. You can get a 10-piece cherry bedroom set with a pillow top mattress for $1,500. I would normally, that's like buying the mattress at the store and getting a free bedroom set. You can get a 6-person hot tub fully loaded for $39.95. You know, our kitchen cabinets, that's an absolute home run. We have 10 by 10 solid wood kitchens, solid wood dovetailed soft close starting at $1,800 for your kitchen.
And on average, redoing a kitchen is like 30 grand and above, and I mean, you'll kill that
It's
number.
crazy what the markup is on that
And you
stuff.
even have in-house consultants and designers that will help design the kitchen of their dreams, right?
Throughout the whole process at no charge to the customers.
Oh, wow. And you've got 2 locations, so it doesn't really matter what side of town you live on. You have a west and an east side location, and I'm telling you, I've referred so many people here, and they thank me, and the word of mouth, your referral business is through the roof, so obviously you're doing something right. Simply go to their website for all of their location. I promise you the savings will be worth it. NortheastFactoryDirect.com.